Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to create financial reports with Stripe. Let's get started right away. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and head over to the Reports section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see two main options, Pre-built reports and Custom reports. Pre-built reports include payouts, balance summaries, and tax documents, while Custom reports let you choose exactly what data you want. Click New Report, then select the data type, Payments, Customers, Disputes, Subscriptions, or Payouts. Now pick a date range, choose your columns, and apply filters to narrow things down. Once everything looks right, click Run Report. Stripe will generate a clean, downloadable file you can export as CSV for accounting or bookkeeping tools. This is perfect for tracking revenue, reconciling payments, or sharing insights with your team. And that's all you need to start creating detailed financial reports inside Stripe. Subscribe the channel for more videos.